So here it is after we cut the mid mufflers off. There's the cat still there. X pipe is still there, all 2.5. We put 3-inch instead of 2.5-inch pipe to delete the mid mufflers. Still got the exhaust valve cutouts there and there. And then there's the rear mufflers or resonators, whatever you want to call them. We left everything, so we just did a mid muffler delete on it. I'll let you guys hear it, see how you guys like it. Woo. There's what we cut off. There's sound decibels. 118. Man, that thing screams. It's like they scream, just give me gas, please. Let you guys hear on the inside. 2017 Dodge Charger SCAT Pack 392 6.4 liter V8. Still got the stock converters. Still got the factory X pipe. And then it's got we put some Magna packs on it. Magnaflow Magna packs. 14-inch body. 3-inch outlet. Then it's got the stock rear mufflers or resonators. Each person calls them differently. There they are. He wanted to quieten it down. He had some Dynamax bullets on it right there, but it was just too loud. So he brought it back and we changed them out to Magna packs to quieten it down, tame it a little bit. I'll let you guys hear it in a minute. Magnaflow, you hear them, they breathe when you give them gas, but when it's sitting still, it's nice and tamed and quiet. We gotta tame the beast, like they say. That idle sounds really well. It tames it a lot inside too. Let you guys hear it on the inside.
Inside of this Dodge, I'm sorry. Let you guys hear it. Sounds beautiful.
He just wanted it a little bit tamer on startup when it's idling, when he warms it up in the morning. Sounds really good. 2017 Dodge Charger 392 HEMI. Beautiful car. Still got the stock converters there. And there, the factories. Got a factory X pipe. Then earlier in the year we did Magnaflow Magnapacks on it. And then he decided it's not loud enough, so he went and bought 2 Vibrant 1794, I think the number on them. Glass packs, there and there. Race bullets. And we put 4-inch tips on it for him also. So it's something different. You guys haven't heard that before. It's a mixture of both. I'll let you guys hear it and see what you guys think. It's the RT edition. This is what we took off the rear mufflers right there. I'll let you hear it. Not bad. Oh, I like it. That's actually a really good combo. I've never heard them like that. They're usually a lot more raspy.
Yeah. Well, obviously those
The Vibrants are helping. And we put the boards. Updates. Dodge Charger SCAT Pack, 6.4 liter V8 of full horsepower.
That thing got a Hemi?
Yes, sir. It's got catalytic converters right there and right there. Then a factory X pipe. Then we got something real special. The customer brought in a Northeastern exhaust stainless steel. Part number is JFP 300. They're basically like Dynamax bullets, but with a what was that?
It's like a mix between a Dynamax and a 10 series.
A mix between a Dynamax and a 10 series. So we will let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. Okay, it's still got the baffles, factory baffles. That's what it is. It's got one center baffle in it. That's the word I was looking for. My mind went blank. Still got the rear mufflers or resonators still on it. They didn't want it too loud. And we took off 2 Super 10s we put on about 3 years ago. Show you our work. It still looks good even 3 years later. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Wow. Sound baffle? Sound baffle. Wow. 115. Do it again. That thing screams. Oh, wow. It's definitely a different sound. Man, I like that. It's smooth. It's not raspy at all. Let you guys hear on the inside. They're pretty and all, man. Yeah. Okay. Perfect license plate too. We got us a 2020 Dodge Charger 392 Hemi SCAT Pack. What a mouthful. But you know what? Well worth it, because these cars are beautiful and loud and proud and fast. And he said he's gonna go beast mode. So we're gonna find out. It's only got 815 miles on it. There's the stock converters. Then 2.5-inch pipe into a 2.5-inch Y pipe. I'm not Y pipe, sorry guys. X pipe. Then he brought his own Dynamax race bullets because he's been watching our channel and that's the sound he liked. Then we connected the Dynamax race bullets, 24-250. Link in the description if you guys want them. Then 3-inch pipe into his 2.5 all the way back, and we left the rear resonators on it, or mufflers. Everybody calls them different. Into his 4-inch tips, right there, and right there. One, two, three. Oh, go ahead. Much better. 118. Again. Again. It peaked at 118. I like it. Do you like it? You guys, I wish I could show you his smile. But we can't because it has a mask on. He's very happy. The door's open. Beat those race bullets. They sound so good on these. Again. Look. Let you guys hear on the inside. Dodge Charger SCAT Pack beast of a car. I never get sick of these. They always sound so good. Look good and sound good. Look at that. Beautiful. Perfect set of wheels on it. They really did something. All right.